Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor start device in a tap-on refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we need a pair of needle-nose pliers, a pair of wire strippers, and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get instructions, the compressor start device, the capacitor, this retainer spring, the harness, the new set of the contacts, couple of butt connectors, and the heat shrink sleeves. The compressor start device is located inside the compressor compartment, mounted on its side at the back of the refrigerator. The start device assists in starting and running the compressor. If the temperature inside the unit is way above normal and you can hear clicking sounds coming from the back of the fridge every few minutes, check and replace the compressor start device. Here we are at the back of the fridge and we're looking at the compressor, and as I told you earlier, this is the compressor start device mounted on the side of the compressor. I'm going to use the needle-nose pliers to remove this retainer spring. I'm going to grab it and pull it towards the compressor and lift it up to free the end from the cutout. And I'm going to put it down. And now I'm going to remove this device. That's the puppy. Our next step would be using these wire strippers / cutters, and I'm going to cut this both wires. This is the old compressor start device next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we need to strip the ends of these two wires. I'm using the wire strippers. Just an end of it, about 1/4 of an inch, a little less maybe. And this one. So we've got these two butt connectors. We're going to install them. We're going to crimp it on. And then the second one. Now we're going to bring in this harness and we're going to connect it to this butt connectors. But before, we need to strip the ends. Alright, so now after we strip the ends, I'm going to slide on this heat shrink sleeves. And now we're going to connect this wires, and we're going to use the crimper. Alright, so we're going to slide these sleeves. Alright, we're going to use the heat gun and we're going to shrink that sleeves. Alright, next we're going to install these start device on the compressor terminals. Alright, I'm going to mount these capacitor. We've got 2 terminals here and we got 2 slots. And also we got a hole here and we got this post here. So we're going to have to do it all 3 points at the same time. Alright, now we are going to clip this on. Hear the click? That means it's locked. And now we're going to mount all this assembly onto the compressor. We see the 3 terminals on the compressor, and there's 3 openings here. We are going to mount it on. All right, and we need to install this retainer. There is a slot at the bottom, and we're gonna bring it up. We've got the slot right there, and we're gonna push it in and until it locks. That's it. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.